install the Dell 3190 device, you need to start with the top shell. Slide the monitor underneath the two side clips, making sure you really get underneath, and slide it as far forward as you can. Pushing from the spine down, work your way through the case until there's no gap between the edge of the device and the inner edge of the case. If it's properly installed, there should be no gap. For the bottom shell, leave about a 1/4 inch gap between the device and the case. Then clip in the side clips. Again, from the spine down, work the device into the case. If it is properly installed, there should be no gap between the device and the inner edge. To remove the case, start by unclipping the side clips on the bottom shell. Then, use the corners to pull out the rest of the bottom. To safely remove the top shell, it is critical to follow the next steps. With one hand, pinch both sides of the monitor firmly. Then, starting from the bottom of the side clip upwards, use the other hand to massage the case off. Repeat on the other side, and your case is fully removed.